Breathing the fresh air makes every trip very exciting. We enjoy the beauty of nature. Enjoy the freedom of every moment, being grateful for this energetic life. Sudden changes made me worried, but lies bring back warm feelings. Even when disasters happen, we can manage. We don't know if our next second will be bright or dark, but having the immortal power station is having brightness and happiness.
Say hello to One Mini, the first of its kind pocket multilingual assistant that was made for every lifestyle, allowing you to record memorable moments and preserve your voice between lines, giving you language barrier-free communication anywhere, anytime.
So, we will look at the impact of globalization.
One key recording is impossibly handy. Dual far-field microphone enables superior speech recognition.
The study I found is very interesting.
Push to record, multilingual transcription comes out smoothly in real time. No need to play back, just copy and paste. Say goodbye to humdrum typing. For simple and short conversations, AI translation is incredibly intelligent and easy to use.
Excusez-moi. Vous savez comment vous rendre au musée national?
Do you know how to get to the National Museum?
One button away, your language comes out universally meaningful.
Quiero un helado muy muy grande.
我要一个超大的甜筒冰淇淋。
For professional and complex conversations, One Mini puts live interpreters in the palm of your hand.
This is One Mini Interpreter. Can I help you?
The Model 79 needs to be polished.
モデル79は売り切れで、3月前に3000枚欲しいです。
Can you ensure?
割引がありますか？
大丈夫です。お時間にないと思います。
你好，你们要吃点什么？
Do you speak English?
This is One Mini Interpreter. Can I help you?
I want a double flavor pods, mildly spicy, a big platter of the sliced beef, sesame paste as dripping sauce, and an ice cold beer.
I'm allergic to shrimp. Any local cuisine for recommendation?
这位客人要一份鸳鸯锅，微辣，一份大份牛肉，芝麻蘸酱。
Powered by AI and humanity, One Mini is your omnipotent personal translator, making everywhere in the world just like your home. One Mini always accompanies wherever life takes you. It allows you to communicate effortlessly and makes everyday life worth remembering. A pocket multilingual assistant for recording and communicating.
You ready? Introducing Plivo, the world's most innovative smart luggage set, with not just one, but 3 smart products: Runner, Infinite, and Up. All seamlessly connected to you, featuring the world's first garment hanger, easy access compartments so you can breeze through airport security. With the extra space provided by the expandable body, you'll never have to leave anything behind. Sadly, broken wheels are the #1 reason people buy new luggage, but not with Plivo. Our removable wheels ensure you'll keep on rolling forever. Smart Dashboard shows you everything that's happening with your Plivo at a glance. Wide handles provide consistent comfort throughout your travels. And a removable battery pack ensures you never run out of juice on any of your devices. Plivo arrived to revolutionize the outdated luggage industry and solve all the current travel hassles you face. Combining cutting-edge design, technology, and user experience in perfect harmony. That's how Plivo developed the first Morse code lock in luggage history, in addition to Touch ID and Face ID functions. Plivo provides the modern traveler with the ultimate experience. A built-in digital scale, Forget about paying fees for overweight luggage. Plivo's removable battery pack is compliant with all airline regulations, so you can travel worry-free. A smart travel assistant app so you can check all your flight details. We all know that going through security checkpoints at the airport sucks, but we've made it easier than ever before by adding a removable sleeve that gives you instant access to your electronics without having to open your bag. Distance alerts let you know when your luggage is coming to you at the carousel, so you can always keep track of your belongings. Don't waste any more of your valuable time discussing with airport staff. This journey has just begun, and we want you to be a part of it. Join us by backing our campaign and starting the Plivo revolution.
Meet Amy and Daniel. They love to travel. That was her favourite shirt. But it's not just the surprise that awaits them when they open their suitcase. It's the frustration at what's out there in the market. Travel bottles that are uninspiring, unreliable, leaky, and impossible to label. No matter how organised you try to be, bags and bags of products can be difficult to keep track of. Introducing TIC Travel Bottles. Smart bottles for life's travels. They're an elegant, intuitive and simple solution to travelling with skin and shower products. With 10 smart sections, the skin bottle lets you easily organise 10 different face and skincare products all in one place. Imagine that! Your whole skincare regime in the palm of your hand. Just press for what you need. The easy-to-remove containers can be filled with your favourite essential daily skincare products. And with clear measurement markings, you can see when you're running low. The shower bottle holds up to 2 times the capacity of conventional shower sets. It has 3 sections for shampoo, conditioner and body wash, and any other bath or shower essentials. Lightweight and compact, both bottles are easy to tuck into a suitcase, sports bag or overnight bag. Perfect for when travelling or heading to the gym. You can stick to your skincare regime and bring your favourite skin and shower products with you wherever you go. It's never been easier to fit all of your skin and shower care products into your luggage. You can even mix and match interior compartments depending on what you need. The skin and shower bottles are safe and durable. We performed drop and pressure tests to ensure they're strong enough to pack and can withstand air pressure when flying, so they shouldn't bend, break or leak in transit. And when it comes to cleaning the containers, it's easy. A cleaning brush is provided with every bottle, as well as the handy tools you need to easily transfer your skin and shower products. Now you can just take what you need, without any wastage. We want everyone to enjoy the freedom and fun of using TIC Travel Bottles. 500 backers can choose to personalise their TIC Travel Bottles with a monogram of their name or initials. So, what do you say? Are you ready to take your skin and bath care regime on the road?